Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok password reset not working. If TikTok won't let you reset your password, try these fixes. So first, go to your settings, then go to Wi-Fi. Now check your internet connection. So a weak or unstable connection can prevent password reset requests from going through. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then try again. You can also turn it off for about 10 to 30 seconds, then turn it back on, then go back to TikTok and then try again and see if that works. Next, you can clear the TikTok app cache. So open TikTok app and click your profile in the bottom right. Then click the three-line menu in the top right. Now go to settings and privacy. Scroll down to the bottom and look for free up space under cache and cellular. Select free up space. Then tap on clear besides cache. Tap on clear again. And once that's done, go ahead and try again and see if that works. Next, you can request a new verification code. So reset code expire after a short time. If your code doesn't work, request a new one and enter it immediately. Now you can also check your spam and junk folders. If you're resetting via email, look in your spam, junk, promotions, or updates folders for the password reset message. So you can go to your email and check those folders. Next, you can also update TikTok app. So go to App Store or Play Store and search for TikTok. Then from here, you can click on update if the bottom appears. So an outdated app may cause password reset issues. So make sure you install the latest version from the App Store or Play Store and try again. If this is helpful, thank you for watching.